preparing to perform peptide reconstitution.
If the SP100 is not already on, turn on the SP100, the MPE power unit, chiller power unit, and the instrument computer. Check the gas supply and the MPE regulator for the appropriate pressures, and launch the ICS. If you have not already done so today, run the daily maintenance method. From the ICS main menu, select Maintenance, Daily Maintenance, and follow the prompts. Refer to the daily maintenance video for a step-by-step tutorial. If necessary, remove the collection plate containing the dried quantified peptides from -80°C storage and bring to room temperature. Prepare a room temperature water bath for the peptide reconstitution buffer. Remove the reconstitution buffer reservoir and 300 microliter NCTs from room temperature storage.
Now we'll prepare the peptide reconstitution buffer.
Remove the peptide reconstitution buffer from -80°C storage and thaw in a room temperature water bath. If needed, sonicate for approximately 10 seconds in a room temperature water bath. Vortex briefly. Remove the MS peptide control from 4°C storage. Add 24 microliters of peptide reconstitution buffer to the MS peptide control tube. Allow to stand for 1 minute. Gently pipette 10 times to mix. Place on ice and use within the day.
We prepared the peptide reconstitution consumables. Next, we will load the deck.